Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Hazelton, and in this video I'll be going over some ways that you can be more productive in your business. I will be talking specifically about Amazon, KDP, and YouTube. However, I think this can be used for any sort of business, so even if you don't do one of those, then I think this video can definitely be helpful. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate all of the support so much. And please feel free to comment below any comments that you have regarding the video or something else, any suggestions, tips, feedback. I mean, honestly, I love learning about you guys and getting to know you all. So if you want to comment that you just got a new puppy or that your favorite color is blue or something else completely random, that's totally fine. So go ahead and do that if you would like to. And also please feel free to check out any of the resources I have in the description below, along with free templates for Amazon KDP and any of my other YouTube videos. Alright, let's get started. So one of the first resources I'll be showing you guys is this website right here, Todoist, I think that's how you pronounce it. They also have an app in the Apple Store right now, so if you want to have it on your phone, you can definitely do that. There is a free and a paid version, but you can do pretty much everything with the free version that I think you would need to do, at least for basic productivity and keeping track of things. So this is their home page. You can get started right here, or in the top right, hit the sign up button. If you have the app, it will give you its own options as well. So then if you scroll down, it also shows you a little preview. So this is what it would look like. You can do different times and different things that you have to do. You can make them recurring or not recurring. You just check them off once you complete them. So it's a really great tool in case you just aren't getting things done or you're really overwhelmed. And to give you an idea of what it looks like inside actually using the app, here is an example account that I created with an email that I actually made years ago because I made a Facebook account for one of the horses that I owned. Yeah, I don't know. But anyways, so this is an example account. So it's not actually my personal account that I created. So it's completely blank, so you can just add a task here and type something in. So I'll do something like make YouTube video, something like that. And if you click this today button, you can make it recurring, change it for a later time, or you can even just have no date. It's honestly an amazing tool to use. So I'm just going to hit add task for that. I'm not super savvy with this website, so some things I might say might not be like 100% accurate or it's changing. I haven't been using it for very long. I honestly prefer the second resource I'll be showing you guys in a minute, but I just wanted to give you an idea. And then when you're done, you can just hit the check mark right here, and one task completed will pop up on the bottom. So then I can do something like make a notebook, and then I can do the same thing again, and you can just keep repeating it or doing whatever you would like to do. So I can change it to this weekend, add task, and it's just an amazing resource. So I'll just show you guys one more example. See, the weekend one didn't show up here since this is for today, so this one shows up here for today. You can edit it on this right hand side. You can set a due date. You can duplicate it, make it on a schedule, or change the schedule. Honestly, it's amazing all the stuff you can do here. So I really hope that this was helpful. I highly recommend checking this out in case you're just struggling and you need something that you can check off every single day. This is truly great. And later on in the video, I'll give you some ideas for Amazon, KDP, and YouTube, how to prioritize things and what productivity items to put on here. So moving on to my next resource, Google Calendar. Now this can seem a bit intimidating if you haven't used Google Calendar before, but honestly it is incredible. So you can just click anywhere to add an event. So I'll type in something like work because I work full time. So I can't really do KDP while I'm working, obviously. So I'm just going to hit some random times here just to give you guys an example. Some random times. I will have it repeating. We'll do every weekday, Monday to Friday, and then I'll hit save. And then it will pop up for every single week, Monday to Friday. So this is a great way to organize your schedules and your days apart from just doing your business. So I can do like make a YouTube video, and I can make it for this time. I can change the color, so then I can have colors associated with a certain task. And you could repeat this or edit it or change it however you would like to. So I'm also going to add one here, like make a notebook. And I'm going to change this to a completely different color so I know it's different. And you can add anything you want on here. You can add like appointments or other things that you need to do, or self-care. If you need to put in time to force yourself to take a break, you can do that too. And it gives you plenty of different options to view. So if you look at like the monthly view for this, it will show you the colors and the names for it. And honestly, it's just an amazing way to maximize your time and your productivity. So a few tips I have for you guys if you're working with Amazon KDP or YouTube is figure out some realistic goals for yourself. So personally for me, I was struggling with when to make YouTube videos, how many to make, when to post them, things like that. So right now I have a plan to post 3 YouTube videos a week. And I put on my calendar when I'm making a YouTube video, and I make sure that I have enough time to do it for the next week. And you can always change this too. Like if 3 videos a week ends up being too much for me, then I will change it to 2 or whatever I need to do. But find realistic goals for yourself. Don't say you're going to post 1 YouTube video every single day and then stress yourself out really bad, and then you no longer enjoy it, or your content is not good and it's low quality and your thumbnails are suffering, your descriptions, things like that. So you want to make sure that you're optimizing your time, but you're also not spreading yourself too thin. So for Amazon KDP, right now my goal is to upload at least 1 book every single week, and I try to devote at least 2 hours a week to it, which that's another way you can do it. You can devote hours instead of a certain task if you would like to. But this is all dependent on your business and your goals. So for KDP, I want to do 1 notebook a week, so I want to do at least 2 hours, because sometimes then that 2 hours I'm simply doing niche research or keyword research or something like that. I'm not even creating the book. But it depends on each week, and every week changes. If I have extra time, I'll just pick YouTube or KDP to get a little bit ahead on or do some extra work on. So this is definitely dependent on you and your own schedule and how you personally want to go about your business. But those are some quick tips for you guys. I hope it was helpful. Definitely make realistic goals for yourself so you don't get discouraged, and don't be afraid to change your schedule if you've already made it. I've had to change stuff before because plans change, things happen, but that's why I love using the Google Calendar, because it's so easy to change things around and see where I have free time and where I don't. So I hope this was helpful. It definitely has helped me out. I just started doing this recently because I was feeling really overwhelmed and that I wasn't devoting enough time to both of them equally, along with my personal life and everything else I have to do. So far this has been working great, and I hope it continues to work great, and I really hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, anything like that, please feel free to comment them below. I try to get back to everybody as best that I can. And again, feel free to comment anything about yourself. I love getting to know new people and learning about all of you. You're all incredible, and I love the support. So I definitely don't mind if you want to share something fun about yourself, or really anything random that's pretty cool and respectful. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. All of the support means so much to me. You guys are truly incredible. So thank you so much for all of the support, and have a wonderful day.